Have you ever wondered, after all the whole stress, creating your video, shooting that content, then after all the whole stress with your editing, everything, then you upload your videos on the YouTube. Then you start seeing small views, 0 views, 10 views, 5 views. I hope you understand the stress. I understand how it feels after having all the whole migraine, the stress out, this frustration. You actually feel frustrated. But trust me, I am here with another update. I am here with a great news that will actually help small channels to grow that very fast. There is an update, there is a feature YouTube is using to help small channels to go viral, to help small channels to get that visibility and reach their wider audience very fast. Trust me, guys, so many people are yet to know about this particular feature, especially content creators, including small creators. You know that this my channel is particularly made for small creators to help them. Because as I'm growing, we are all growing together. Alright? Do not snooze on this particular video. Yes, that's my slogan. Alright? You already know by now. So my people, if you feel that this particular update is actually meant for you, you know the drill now, you know what to do. Kindly hit that subscription button, subscribe to my channel, like, and always drop your comments. It will help me to give you more updates. So stay with me and stick with me to the very end of this my video. Alright, my people, welcome back. It's still your girl, the Beauty of It Chronicles, and welcome back. Now I will take you to this particular process, the procedure you have to follow to apply this particular feature on your content, on your channel, and you start seeing the positive effect speaking immediately on your channel. YouTube is actually helping small creators. Yes. You know, after all the whole frustration creating your videos, actually you will start doubting yourself. You start feeling like this YouTube, is it really made for you? You think that you're not doing well, or your videos are not quality enough, or you are having bad thumbnails, whatever. But trust me, you're actually doing well. But you are lacking updates. You are lacking behind. YouTube is actually made for everybody. Yes, you can make it here on YouTube. But if you follow the right updates, the procedures, definitely you will see your channels growing very fast. You will see your channel getting the maximum visibility needed on your channel. Alright? So many people are yet to know about this update. You understand all those after creating your thumbnail, you start doubting your analytics. It is not your analytics. Your analytics is actually doing its job. You are not doing the right thing on your channel. But YouTube have brought out a particular procedure that they are using to help small channels, small content creators to get the wider audience, to start growing very fast. You start getting the maximum visibility on your channel. If you follow these particular procedures I'm about to display on my screen, definitely you will get the maximum results. You will see how your channel will start going viral, getting the likes, the comments, the views without hesitation, without much stress. So this particular video, this particular record is showing on the screen. You have to make use of your studio dashboard. Log in on YouTube studio desktop version on your browser. Trust me guys, do not make use of the YouTube app on your mobile phone. No, you definitely make a mistake. Make use of YouTube desktop version on your browser. Once you click on it, follow this particular recording, these procedures that I displayed here. Follow the process, open YouTube, the YouTube studio version. It will take you to your profile on your channel. You will now access this particular feature. This particular feature is nothing but A and B texting, and is very, very active because YouTube is actually using it to help small channels to grow. So once you upload it, you click it, you will see the procedures, the process, how you make use of it, the guidelines as I've already make on this recording, displaying on this my particular channel. You use it. Once you now click on videos, you will start seeing all the whole videos that you have uploaded on your channel one after the other. They are in line. Understand? Then you have to use one particular video. But trust me, guys, do not make this mistake of using the video you have already uploaded on your channel. No, you are making mistake. Try and use a different video that you created newly. Kindly create a new video, put it on private, do not upload it yet, like do not publicize it yet. Just put it on private and use that particular video. As I'm showing on my recording, click on that video that is set on private. Once you click on it, you will now access this particular feature that I'm talking about. This A and B texting feature YouTube is using to help small creators to grow, to get that maximum visibility. Once you click on this A and B texting, you're already on this feature. You have already accessed this feature. It's just for you to just do the right thing and you start seeing the positive results. So once you click on that A and B testing feature, it will take you to your thumbnails, your titles. You can use any one. You can try it on your titles, you can try it on your thumbnails, you can also try it on titles and thumbnails. But I will start with the thumbnails. Once you click on thumbnails, it will request 3 different videos on that particular thumbnail. Like it's YouTube, they will request for 3 different thumbnails for that particular video. You have to choose one. Like once you are done creating your video, you have to create 3 different thumbnails for that particular video. So YouTube will now choose one of them. Out of that 3, YouTube will choose one. And once YouTube will now choose one, that is the feature. You will see where it is written under that particular thumbnail, winner. Out of that 3, this is the particular one you have to use. Use that particular thumbnail and upload on your video. Once you do this, you will start seeing the effects immediately applicable on that video. Then push it out and you start seeing the views, the likes, the comments. Your channel will start growing. You can as well try it on the title side. It will request for the same procedure 3 different titles for that your particular video. 3 different titles at most. Then YouTube will also choose one title. You will still see it written under winner. That particular title is the one you use. I repeat, use that particular title written winner. Use it, apply it under your video, and start seeing the effects. You can as well do the same on thumbnail and titles, whichever one. And then you click on proceed or save. You are done. Like you start seeing this effect playing out immediately on your videos, and you see how your channel will grow so fast. So my people, if you feel this particular update, this video is actually meant for you, I think you know what to do. Trust me guys, whatever update that I pushed in here, like I will dish out here, just know that I've already tried it on my channel and it's already applicable on my channel. I've seen the results, I've seen the effects before I will dish it out. Try this particular feature. YouTube is out here to help small creators to grow, and I'm helping small creators also to grow by giving you the updates that you don't know. High top content creators say they are already using these particular features and they are already moving higher. So what are you waiting for? Do not snooze on this update. Try this particular feature. You will see how your thumbnail, your titles, your videos, it will start getting that maximum visibility on your channel. The likes, the comments, the views, all of them on your channel. Your channel will start growing because YouTube themselves, they are pushing videos to your wider audience. With your analytics, that's how it works. Your algorithm, that's how it works. So do not doubt your algorithm. It's actually doing its job, but you are lacking an update, which I have dished out here. So my people, If you feel this particular video is actually meant for you and you have stuck with me from the very beginning of this my video to this very point, trust me guys, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Put your notification bell on. Always wait for my new updates, as I will be updating you back to back and you start growing so fast. Thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.